It's time for another episode of the Blue Sword Biker, and I'm back. Howdy friends, welcome back to the Blue Sword Biker channel. And I'm the Blue Sword Biker, my name's John. If you're here for the first time, thanks a lot for tuning in. If you're regular, I know you haven't seen me for a while. Yeah, some of you guys who regularly watch the channel might know that I was going in for hip replacement surgery, and I did just that. It's been 2 weeks now since I went under the knife. It's quite an experience. Right now, I'm able to walk again. This is my first walk out to see the bikes. I haven't seen my motorcycles since I got the surgery. I've been, being very careful that I'm not using a walker anymore. And I still have to use this cane, as you can see right here. I don't know whether you can see it or not. I feel like Fraser's dad walking around with this cane.
Your frou-frou knick-knack. Oh, that's right, Dad. Go ahead.
So, have you ever seen the TV show Frasier? Anyways, yeah, it was quite interesting. I'm probably within the next few days, I should be able to walk around pretty good. It gets better every day. I'm still very careful because I don't want to fall down and mess something up. But it's quite an interesting procedure. They took me in and they gave me a spinal where they numb you from your waist down. They stick this needle in your back and then they put you out. So they give you kind of a double duty. If anybody has had hip replacement surgery, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, well, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. And they give you a double duty. They give you this numbing from the waist down, and then they put you out. So I'm there in the operating room. They had me lean forward and put my head into this pillow thing, and they had an IV, and the guy put a little numbing on my back, and the anesthesiologist said, we're going to give you just a little something to ease the relax you a little bit here now while we do the spinal, because it's a big needle we have to put in there. So they put this big old needle in there. Well, they numbed it first, and I guess before they put that big old needle in there, boom, I was out, just out like a rock. Just next thing I know, wake up, I'm looking around in there, and the first words I said was, I saw the nurse, and the first words I said were, "Is this what hell looks like?"
Not again.
So anyways, it went pretty easy. That part was, they had me walking with the walker the very same day. Within an hour, my legs were numb, and I had to start moving around till I could move them. I had to keep exercising them and moving them. It took about an hour for my legs to get unnumb, and then they got me up and had me walking, and I walked that very same day. I'm still moving a little slow, and I hear mixed results about this thing. I hear people say that, oh, you're up walking a couple of days, you're ready to go. Man, this hurt. And I tried not to take very much pain medication. Maybe that was part of it, because I didn't, I don't really like that kind of stuff that much. But I had to take some, and the last 4 or 5 days here, I've only been taking Tylenol. But it hurt. It's uncomfortable, man. And so hopefully it was worth it. I won't be riding a motorcycle for a few months probably. So that's a bummer. But that's why you guys haven't seen me, because I've been hobbling around the house. I haven't been going outside. It's been raining here too in Central California. We've had a drought going on for about several years, and it's been pretty extreme, and it looks like we're going to get some relief from that. It's been raining a lot, so they're getting good snow in the mountains too, I hear, and it's supposed to rain next week, but it's New Year's Day today also. New Year's Day, so we got a sunny New Year's Day. Happy 2023, everybody. I hope everything goes well. But anyways, let's go in. This is my first time looking at my motorcycles. I got to go in and start them up. They haven't been started in two weeks, over 2 weeks probably. Let's go see what's going on in here. Hopefully I don't fall down. That's what they say, the worst thing you can do is fall down. So anyways, let's go in the shop and check it out. All right, well, here we are in the shop here, and here's the bikes. All right, there's the night train that I just bought right before I went under surgery. Some of you guys that have been watching, you saw that I bought this night train. I got a really good deal on it, and I have plans for it. So I have plans on kind of fixing it up a little bit, making it real nice. Softail Deluxe Sportster. Now the Sportster, the battery is dead on the Sportster. I left the key on it. I know that because before I went for my surgery, I came out here to ride it, and the battery was dead on it. So anyways, and Softail Deluxe is looking good. Everything's looking good out here. I don't even want to try to sit on one of these things because I don't want to put any pressure on my leg. You know, I'm still pretty tender. So they went ahead and, you know, they cut you right here in the front of your leg right here. Well, actually, it's right here, right here. They cut you right in the front there. And they go in here and open you up, saw that bone out of there and put another one in. So I have a prosthetic hip now. So, but hopefully, man, I'll tell you, you know, when I'd go on a ride for a couple hours, I'd get off and man, my hips would just be stiff. And sometimes I'd get up, it was getting to be almost daily, I'd get up out of a chair and my bone would pop and it hurt and it gets stuck. And it was time, you know, but anyways, I'm hobbling around now, and I guess I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I did it because it's good to do it while you're young and healthy. Well, I'm not young and I'm not healthy. Anyways, all right. Well, I'm excited. I want to start the motorcycles. Let's start. Go ahead and start with the night train here and see how the night train does for us here. All right. Okay. Hey, look at that, man. Good. Man, I like this bike. Hasn't been running in a while. Well, hasn't been running 2 weeks. Woo! I love it. Yeah, man. Sounds good. So what I have planned with this bike is I'm basically just gonna get the seat reupholstered on it. I don't know, should I get a new seat or should if I get it reupholstered, I can get it. I want it to be all tuck and roll. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at here, and it's got nice lines. So I'm just gonna probably go ahead and just get it reupholstered, and then I'm gonna paint it. Looks like somebody tried to polish this. This was probably, what this probably was, is it was probably the original paint, and what it was probably that black denim. Because see how this is it's kind of flat black. It's not glossy. And it looks like they were polishing it out, trying to maybe polish it out, or maybe prepping it to paint again. I don't know. But I'm going to paint it, and I'm going to paint it black. And then I'm going to take the rim and I'm going to powder coat that rim black, and then I'm going to powder coat these black as well. And then I think I'm going to put black lenses and LEDs and black lenses all the way around it on the turn signals. And you can also get a black tail light for it. So I think I'm going to go all kind of black and chrome on it. But you know, and then here and there, I'm going to just add things to it and do stuff to it. I'm going to leave the handlebars. I like them. I like they're just high enough. They're not super high apes, and they're high enough to look cool. And I like the position of them. I just like the way they feel. It's a really comfortable bike to ride. So anyway, that's it. Well, let's see if this guy starts over here too. If you guys watch my channel, you know I love to start my bikes and listen to the way they sound. So this is what I'm working with. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Start right up. All right. I haven't ridden this one in a long time. I don't think I've rode this bike since I got this bike. It'll start right up. Of course it's going to start right up. These bikes are in perfect condition. Great, great. Alright, needs a little attention now. It's kind of dirty, like I always say. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Okay, well, we're looking good. We are looking good out here. But I can't wait, man. I can't wait to get started on this. I want the rain to stop. It's supposed to rain all next week. And I'm going to use the time while I'm down to make a project out of this. And I've got some old style Harley Davidson decals I'm going to put on the side right here. The old knucklehead style. So I think it's going to be cool. It's a beautiful motorcycle, and I got it real reasonable in price. Had to do a little work to it, but I had to put a stator in it and a few things, but I'm in it real reasonable to where I'm pretty happy. I'm happy with it, and it runs good and it looks good. It's going to look even better when I'm done with it. Can't wait, man. This is going to be a great project, And this is one of the things I can do while I'm down with the hip surgery, because I'm going to have to find a bunch of things I can do in my car, or just odds and ends and stuff like that to keep the channel going. I haven't done an episode in 2 weeks. I haven't been able to do anything, so I'm going to have to figure out motorcycle events in my car, work on the bikes here and there when I get a little more able to, chronicle kind of this bike and make it happen. I've got a few other ideas too, and I got some friends that want me to come by, and so I just wanted everybody to know that I'm still kicking and I'm still here, and I have no intention of slowing down, although I may have to a little bit, but I have no intention on it, and I also have no intention of stopping my channel. I've just been a little bit out of it because of the hip surgery, as you guys can imagine and see. But anyways, I don't have much more to do. That's about all I can do right now. If you guys like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and also hit that little bell. That's going to let you know when I upload something new. I try to do it every Tuesday and every Saturday. I'm not so sure that's going to be happening here for a while, but if you hit that bell, then you'll know when I'm here, because it's going to be a little erratic for a while until I get to out and walk again. It'll even be even better when I start riding again. And also subscribe. Now, if you're not sure you want to subscribe because you've only caught this little vignette of me just kind of out here BSing and, doing silly stuff, check out some of my other videos here. All right, I got a bunch of them. I got over 160 some odd videos. And also, I just hit the 1,400 subscriber mark. Yeah, all right. Thank you guys for subscribing. And thanks for sticking with me, all right? So I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on with my hip surgery, what's going on with the bikes, and whatever else. I'll be back. So I am back. Just may not be as regular as I have been, but then again, I might be. Just never know. So anyways, thank you again for watching. I'm rambling now. Tune in next time. Check us out again. Take care of each other and be cool all the time. All right. It's the Blues Heart Biker signing off now. Thanks a lot. We'll see you again next time. All right. Appreciate you guys.